Hello viewers, in today's video I am going to show you 3 important ways that you can use ChatGPT to make $200 and above daily. Practical example, I am going to show you this using ChatGPT. So this is my dashboard. This is the ChatGPT dashboard. If you are new to ChatGPT, you just click on OpenAI, chat.openai.com, get registered, verify your account, and voila, you will be in this dashboard. Okay, there are some basic things here: the example they created, the capability, and the limitations. So you can read that up. The first one here on my list is writing a blog. Okay, with ChatGPT, it will help you write the blog, and after writing it, then you have to do the paraphrasing. Okay, that is the first one. And the second one is book summaries. Okay, book summaries, and it will still show you where you can do this book summary and make those money. Okay, and the third one is letting ChatGPT to write a code for you. Okay, with any language. You can use Python, which is one of my programming languages. You can use any type of programming language, either Node.js or React Native. So whichever one, ChatGPT can do it for you. So the first one I'm going to talk about is how to use ChatGPT to write a blog for you. You can choose the number of words, 300, 200, 500. But one important thing I want to mention is after the blog has been created, what you do is to take it to a paraphrasing software or website like Article Writer, so that it can write it for you. Or if you have or installed Grammarly to your website, you can go to Grammarly and do that also to paraphrase the grammar, so that it will not be AI based and it will not take your ranking down from Google. Okay, so this is how you click on new chart. Once you click on new chart for the first beginner activity dashboard here, once you click on it, then you tell it what you want it to do. I will want it to write a 300 word for me. Write a 300 word on how to make $200 daily. Okay, write a 300 word on how to make 200 daily with Facebook. Okay, with Facebook. Once you're done, you just click on this button here and let the magic begin. So what you just do is to wait for it to do the writing. Once the writing is done, you copy it, and after copying it, you take it to this other website I'm going to show you. So it has started doing the writing. As you can see, it's so what you do is after this write up, you take it to a paraphrasing website and do the paraphrasing, so that it will look just the way it is here. Okay, but the idea and the content has been created. So what you do is to paraphrase it yourself and do some corrections and add some of your human capacity. So don't let the AI just do everything for you. Okay, just like an assistant to you. So what you do after this, you just use it and add up your own. And if it will take you 2 days to write a complete blog, but with this it will take you in less than an hour to do, which has reduced the time it will take for you to more than 80%. Okay, so after the writing, it will give a short summary. So once everything is done, the next thing you do is to do what I've said earlier. Okay, let's just wait on it to finish. So it is done. So what you do is to go back. After going back, you confirm what has been written. So once this is confirmed and you like what is, you can read it. Okay, you can read it, and once you're okay with that, then you do the copying. Okay, the button was supposed to show where you can copy, but I'm yet to see it. I don't know, maybe network. Okay, maybe network. So once it's copying, you can go to article writer. article writer is a paraphrasing website, okay, where you can paraphrase text. So you drop the text here. Now let me cancel this, paste here. So this is it. So you can use this basic paraphrasing and it will do the paraphrasing. Once the paraphrasing is done, then you can read. This is the paraphrasing. You can write it and you read it, okay, to make sure that everything works normal and the write-ups and the words are correct. Okay, let's go back. This is the first way that you can use this AI to maximize and make $200 daily from any of these portable ways I'm going to show you. And the next way is to write book summaries. Okay, book summaries. One thing that it will do is that it will help you summarize books, and once these books are summarized, you can sell it up or put it on stores where they can be bought. It will help us do all these things. Let's go to this next one and let's ask it to summarize just a basic book for us. Okay, let's use Rich Dad Poor Dad, which is a popular book. Rich Dad Poor Dad summary, and let's see what we do. I think we'll go down. Okay, once it shows something like this, sometimes network can cause it, error can cause it. What you do is to click on new chart and you can start back again. Okay, so you can see it now is summarizing the book for us. Okay, it's giving a general summary of the book Rich Dad Poor Dad. Rich Dad Poor Dad is a personal financial book written by Robert Kiyosaki. Okay, it's giving us a summary of the book. So this is a short summary of the book. So you can ask it where you can purchase this book. Okay, where can I purchase the book? Okay, and it will give you or tell you where to purchase the book. See, it's available for purchase. You can buy the book in physical or digital format from online retailers such as Amazon, Bell and Nobles, and Books A Million. So this is a general summary that is given where you can purchase the book. So once the summary is done, you can also go further to ask it where if you can sell the summarized book. So this you can just test run what you can do with it. So you can do several things with ChatGPT. Then the last option is letting it write a code for you that you can use on a personal blog or your website, or it can even create an API for you that you can sell and repurpose. Write a Python code that can translate text from one language to another. So you just send it and you allow it to do the magic. So it will give you a brief description before writing the code, or in some cases it will just write the code, and what you do is just to copy it and send it to or use it to whichever platform you want to use it. So erasing the code is a brief code where you can pick up the code from the library Python library and use and write this basic code. Okay, so this has finished writing the code. So what you can do, you can copy it and test run it. Okay, based on the guideline that it has given, what you just do is to follow the guideline and test run it, and once it starts working, then you can just paste it on either your blog or any platform you want to test it on. Then voila, this is it. So with this, you have these three basic knowledge and three basic skills that you can use to make money. So why I specifically wrote this ad is so that you can see the wonders and the capability of using ChatGPT. I will see you in the next video where I explain better on how to use ChatGPT to do other things like API and all the rest. See you.